In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious 3-ingredient easy breakfast recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need puff pastry sheets, any sliced ham, any sliced cheese, and 1 egg. We're going to take out one of the puff pastry sheets out of the box. Place the sheet on a parchment paper lined baking sheet and remove any extra flour. We're going to use a pizza cutter to create strips on each side of the puff pastry, making sure not to cut the middle, and we're going to remove the ends off of each side. Layer the cheese and the ham onto the center of the puff pastry, alternating each one. Fold up the bottom of the puff pastry and also the top. We're going to fold in each of the cuts that we made on the side, overlapping each other, making a braid shape. We're going to scramble the egg with a fork until it's smooth. Use a brush to brush the egg mixture on top of the puff pastry. Bake this in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once out of the oven, we're going to use a pizza cutter to cut the puff pastry into equal-sized pieces. Our 3-ingredient easy breakfast recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.